Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how exciting it can be to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial: how to send Cardano from Uphold to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or have some experience, I'll walk you through this step by step to make it super easy and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Gemini. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and verify your identities. It's crucial for security. Once that's done, log into your Uphold account and navigate to your dashboard. Look for your Cardano wallet. It should show your current balance. Double-check that you have enough Cardano to cover the transfer, plus any network fees, which might vary based on 2025's blockchain updates. Next, find the Withdraw or Send option, usually in the Wallet section. Select Cardano as the asset you want to transfer. Now, here's the key part. You'll need your Gemini wallet address. Hop over to your Gemini account, go to the Deposit section, and copy the Cardano address. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Back in Uphold, paste that address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to send, and review the details carefully. Transaction fees for Cardano on the Cardano network are typically low, but always confirm them before proceeding. Hit confirm, and you'll get a final verification prompt. Double-check everything one last time. Once you approve, the transaction will be initiated. Depending on network congestion in 2025, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process. To verify, log back into Gemini and check your wallet. You should see your Cardano arriving soon. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Cardano. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication and keep an eye on your accounts for security. If you run into any issues, both Uphold and Gemini have excellent support teams. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.